doing a little service on the B17 and it took the tail right off of it. It comes off pretty easy. Look at that. Big flange, and it just mates up to it, a whole bunch of bolts, and out she comes. You give her a cleanup. Most of the gunnery stuff is missing on this one. I've seen quite a bit more on other ones. This plane's empty.
What did they have started up that's making that noise?
I think that's some kind of a lift, a forklift or something.
Oh.
Sounds like a forklift. This thing's beautiful. They got a model of it right here.
Tennessee whiskey in there?
Look at this model, really shows things with the breakaway, shows the fuel tanks, how they're put into the wing. Oh boy, the whole side of it opens up. This is a really amazing model, I gotta say. Can't really see it, can you? Big piece of nose art on it. That looks awfully modern. Captain Don Gilbertson. Bombay doors are open. But the B17 has been here for 3 years. Privately owned. And it's getting a bit of a refit. Oh, cool looking. Big chunks of it are apart. There's another wingtip that's sitting on the ground. Holy smokes, is it big. Flaps are all the way down. This aircraft is painted up like the Memphis Belle. It was used in the movie. The aileron is beautiful truck here. Beautiful. And boy, the forklift sure got in close to it. We are right underneath the wing of a B17. Boy, there's another B17 in that hangar over there. Let's just go around the front. This one. The P51 tucked in the corner here. Boy, they wiggled that forklift right on in there. They fly this Mustang regularly. Got some covers off down there while she's getting an inspection, or engine panels are off. Beautiful plane. And you used to be able to walk up the side of it, but now you can't. Pretty cool. So right off over this way in this next hangar is the B17 hangar. And we are underneath a really shiny B17, I might add. And all this stuff is really packed in here. They kind of let you right in here.
Oh, there's an entrance.
That's an exit. This car is fairly spectacular, I gotta say. Really spectacular. And they got themselves a beautiful B17. This one flies. And we need your help. And this motor's nicknamed Sneezy. And that nose art looks a lot, really quite modern. You can see the machine polishing around all the rivets. You can see the blackness from the polisher. This sucker gets a regular buffer wheel on it. And there's a little bomb. That's pretty neat. So there's a walkway down the middle. So there's the pilots right there. And a dude could come in and walk to the back section across. I thought there was a second bomb bay. Is there another one? Nope, there is not. Oh, that's where the gunner positions are then, right? I wonder what the camera is seeing right now. It's rolling. I think you can walk through her. Look how there's things made of, on all these planes, there's things made of wood. There's all kinds of wooden platforms, and like it's an aluminum aircraft, but they still use wood. That door, that's a door for this area, and it's made of wood. Good look at the brakes. This is pretty neat. B29 front piece sitting here. I wonder if it's real. It doesn't look real. It's not real at all. Not real at all. I wonder if this is like made for a movie. That's what this really looks like. It's made for an interior set. In fact, I guarantee that's what this is. And they did a heck of a good job of it. But you can see the outside, it ain't real. Whoa, they got a little cafe here. Check it out.
Oh, it's cute.
Got a little cafe. And that looks like a pits right above it. Wow, they spent a lot of time polishing this thing. Palm Springs Air Museum owns it, and here's the actual N numbers right here. And I wonder what those numbers are up there. Simulating its paint job. But we can find out the history of this airplane by that N number. And we will. And we'll have a look inside her. I wonder if I can do that. Another Mustang, and up on top is a there's another Burt Rutan design up there. Well, this one looks like it's flyable for sure. This is their maintenance position.